Hi, I am AJ and I'm 12 years old. And I am here with my mom. Mom, are you sleeping?
Hi! No, I'm not. I'm here.
Okay. So here, with my mom, we're going to unbox this robotics kit. It is a robotics advanced kit from Avishkaar, which my mom has told you guys and me that it means
Invention.
yes. So it is a very big robot right here on display. You can build over 150 types of robots with 150 plus mechanical parts. So this robot looks very cool. It's very big, very long, very tall. You can control the robot you build with this Avishkaar remote controller. As you guys can see, you guys can take a look for yourself. And you can download it on Google Play or the App Store in your phone to control the robot. So it has a programmable it has a programmable brain.
Okay.
It has motors
Uh-huh.
and it has sensors.
Okay.
Let's look at the back.
Okay.
Ooh.
Let me say.
You want to say? Let them see. Okay. Let them see.
Here. But I can't see what I'm gonna say.
Okay, I'll say it then because you can. So innovate with the Avishkaar design system. Very nice code. Learn 21st century coding skills with sensors. IR sensor and touch sensor. IR sensor stands for infrared. Infrared. And you can learn coding, STEM learning, problem solving, computational.
And are you guys fond of cars? I think I want this because I would be able to know more about what does it say? What does it say here? Can you read it for me?
Learn about torque, RPM, and gear ratios.
Yes.
But you interrupted me. So here, you can learn computational thinking, mechanical design, and robotics.
Yes.
To code this, you need to have the Avishkaar Maker Studio, which you can download on your Windows laptop or your MacBook laptop. So it is code in blocks. It shows in the screen here. So let's open it.
Now?
Yeah.
Okay.
What? Let's open it.
Now you have to take this out first.
Okay. Ooh, this is very heavy. Ooh.
Of course, this is for safety.
Okay, wait. Let them have the first peek.
Ano ba? Akala ko me. Okay, sige. Open.
Mom, you're not special. Ah.
I am the most special person, you know.
Well, okay. So here, we
There's
have a part
one
already.
part here.
We already have a part.
2.
Here, we have the nice Avishkaar manual.
Of course.
Let's open it. I wonder if this has stickers like the other one.
It has.
Stickers! Again, let's go. Don't they just look so neat, guys? Yes, they do. Don't answer me. Okay, so here's the manual. Very nice. We have big boxes in here. Let's open the small one first, because I'm small. Okay. So here we have plastic construction parts.
It's a robotic thing you wouldn't understand.
It's a robotics thing you wouldn't understand. It's very nice.
Okay.
Okay, let's open this. Plastic construction parts. So they seem to be very small. They have gears and stuff.
Careful.
Okay, guys.
Ingat
We have
ba?
gears.
Ingat.
We have gears. Wait, there's more gears in here. Hold on. Let's get it out. Okay. So here we have some giant gear.
Construction parts.
Yes, it's made out of plastic. We have some smaller gears. Let's open it so you guys can see.
So these are all plastic basically, right? This box.
Here we have a small gear. We have a bigger gear.
Okay.
They all have different amount of teeth, and I don't want to count them. Okay. Oh, we also have this here, so the gears can roll on them. If you have some moving parts, some different type of moving parts.
I think.
Okay. Let's put it back. No, you put it back because you like packaging stuff.
Tamad lang siya.
What's tabang? Guys, I don't know what she says. So please help me out here. Okay.
Are these just like this?
Okay. So here we have the metal construction parts. Very heavy. Let's open it. Let you guys have the first peek once again, what is it? Of
It's all
course,
metal.
yes, but just a bunch of metal parts. Here we have some metal steel rods. We have metal plates.
Oh,
They're heavy. They're smooth. They're nice. They feel.
yeah.
They feel.
The quality is good and it's thick.
Yes, it's very good.
So it's not something that you can
Easily bend.
bend. It's not warpy.
There's so many parts, guys. Like so much. Are these glued together?
No,
They're safe. It's safe. So this is very cool, very nice. We still have some more boxes.
These are motor wheels.
Oh, wheels. Okay. So, first peek for you guys again, because you guys are special. What is
I
it?
thought I'm special.
You are, just not this stuff. We have super giant wheels. Isn't this cool? They're like the size of my hand. They're the size of my hand, guys. The size of my hand. Okay, we have some more giant wheels, same size. And here we have some motors. Very nice, very smooth, very strong. They smell good. They look very nice. They look nice. They can fit into everything I build. Yeah, there's not enough for the back. Careful is my middle name. Okay, let's open the last box, guys. The last box. I saved the best for the last. I'll let you guys have the first peek. So this is the electronics box, guys. The electronics box. We have, look how big the brain is. Look how many ports it has. You could plug in so many motors, so many sensors. Oh my gosh. 3 sensors, very nice.
Controller.
Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm playing a video game. Look at this. They have a controller. You could just control the car. Instead of using your phone anymore, you can just... Oh my gosh. Okay, we have another. Looks like a screwdriver. This still looks so cool.
To build?
Yes, of course. Guys, isn't this so cool?
Me too. I want to build one.
Here we have the cable, I believe, to code the brain again if you want it to automatically do something. Here we have
I want to see already what.
Here we have the cable to connect the brain to the items. What's this? Guys, this is a mysterious box. We're going to unbox a mysterious box. Let's see. I'll let you guys have first peek. What's it? What's in there? A charger. Not that mysterious. Okay. Now we have a last box. Alright. Let's open this and let you guys see. Yeah.
What's that?
We have rubber bands. Wait, I have to read them.
Here.
Yeah, I have. So here are so many parts.
again.
No, there's no wheels.
Here,
Oh yeah, this wheel thing, the marble thing. I love calling it marble. Okay? We have a hook. A fishing hook. We can build a fishing robot, guys. We can do fishing. Imagine automating your fishing. Here we have a spanner. We have screws.
I think this is for lifting things.
Yeah, but you can also use it to fish. Here we have screws. We have bolts and nuts.
Yeah.
These bolts look so good. Like these are teeth. What?
Yeah, but I like the quality.
And then
Nice one.
we have plastic stoppers.
Yeah, okay.
To stop
So
your
in
parts from
short,
moving
these are the small parts.
They feel very nice.
Okay.
They feel good quality. Anyways, guys,
Did you show them all?
yes, I showed them. This is it for this video. In the next video, I will be building a robot out of all of these parts, and it's going to be huge and exciting. Thank you guys for watching.
Salamat ng marami!
Bye-bye!
Bye!